In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes using Canva. QR codes are an incredibly useful tool in today's digital age, allowing you to connect users quickly to websites, contact information, and more with just the scan of a phone. Whether you're aiming to use QR codes for business cards, promotional material, or personal projects, Canva provides a simple way to create and customize them. Let's dive into the process of how you can generate your own QR codes in just a few easy steps. To get started, you'll want to head over to Canva's website and log into your account. If you haven't yet created your design, you can choose or create any design type that suits your project from Canva's extensive range of templates. Once your design is open and ready, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is your starting point for accessing the additional features that Canva offers. After you've clicked Share, look for the option labelled See All. It's typically located within the drop-down menu that appears. This option gives you access to various elements that you can add to your design. Once you click on See All, you'll be presented with a comprehensive set of tools and add-ons supported by Canva. From this array of options, you need to scroll through and find QR code in the list. Click on QR code to bring up the QR code generator panel on your screen. This feature, integrated directly into Canva, allows you to effortlessly turn any URL into a QR code. Next, you need to type the URL link that you want your QR code to lead to in the designated field. Carefully enter it, as this is the destination where anyone scanning your QR code will be directed. Once you have correctly entered the URL, it's time to generate the QR code. Simply click the Generate QR Code button. Canva will immediately create a unique QR code for the URL you specified. At this point, you can see the QR code appear in your design space, ready for you to use and customize within your project. When you're satisfied with how your QR code looks within your project, click on Download to save it to your device. The download should happen instantly, and your QR code will be saved as an image file, typically PNG, which is ideal for clear and precise printing or digital use. After you've downloaded the QR code, go to the Uploads tab on the Canva sidebar. Here, you have the option to click Upload Files. Select the QR code image you just downloaded. Now your QR code will be stored in your Canva uploads and ready to be reused in future projects or designs. With these straightforward steps, you can effectively and efficiently create QR codes using Canva, enhancing your marketing materials or personal creativity with digital ease. I hope this tutorial was helpful and inspires you to make the most of QR codes in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.